Alright, so it snowed again. This is the second snowstorm in the same week. Yep. Alright, it's been sitting here idling a little bit. It's warming up to go. Alright, let's do this. No brakes. Downshift. Like a Honda. That's for sure. It's so slick, it just slides the rear tires, so it's not really a big deal. Alright, let's get donuts up here. No one's here, so it doesn't matter. Except I'm really loaded up, because I haven't got a chance to clear it out. So I might have to go. Actually, I'm going to go down there. Let's see if I can make it up that hill. Alright, wish me luck. It's slick. That wasn't neutral. So underneath the snow was ice. I can't see a single thing through these goggles because they're tinted and they're frosted up and covered in water and snow. I literally can't. It's like I have cataracts or something. But those are some amazing donuts. I seen the rooster tails coming off and I was impressed. I hope I didn't create all that. What I mean by I hope is, I mean, that's exactly what's happened. I have to get rid of it now. Okay.